we are going to make a flower design using Photoshop. First create a new file, go to layer and press Ctrl I for invert, making a some guideline. Go to view and guides and new guide layout, select a number 2 and gutter is 0. Okay, now go to shape tool and select ellipse tool. Now select shape and fill color any which you like, rock, bite and fix, select here 5. Now draw a shape and design this link here and go with say 200 and height 500. Drag in center on the image and go to layer and right click, select rasterize layer and press Ctrl J. Rotate in 45 degree. Now Ctrl Alt Shift press T for duplicate. Now select all layer and right click and merge layer. Press Ctrl J for duplicate this layer and press Ctrl T. Width 90, select width 90, height also 90 and select this link here, rotate 22.5 degree. Okay, now press Ctrl Alt Shift and press T and merge all layer.